Hello guys, thank you so much for watching my other videos. Today is another interesting videos. Now in today's video I'll be talking about reasons why you cannot be rich in your 20s. Reasons why you cannot be rich in your 20s. And it's three reasons. You heard me right, 3 minutes, three reasons. And this video is very short, so watch it to the end. Three reasons why you cannot become rich in your 20s. Number one, thinking it has to be inheritance. In Africa, or maybe in Cameroon, where I grew, a lot of young people have a mentality that you are going to be rich from your father's cocoa farm, palm tree farm, or orange farm. We only want inheritance. We don't want to work. That's why we cannot be rich in our 20s, because we have a mentality that I want my father to pass on their wealth to me. I want my father to pass their properties to me. But let me tell you this, you might not be the only child. You have your brothers, your sister. Even if you're the only child, that mentality of thinking about it is from your father's inheritance that you'll be rich is a reason why you cannot be rich. But if you decide to go for your own, in fact, how did your father work their own money? How did your father make their own money that you cannot go for your own? So the reason why you cannot be rich is about inheritance. All you're thinking about is inheritance, family property, family house, family land. That is why you cannot be rich. So the day you come out from this mindset and go for your own, that's when you'll be rich. Number two, thinking that all money has been exploited. Like when you hear about those people who are rich, you're like, they're already rich now, so there's no need for me. Money is already finished. My dear, there is a lot of money in this world to be made. See, whether you are selling banana, you have your customers. I'm selling granola sweet, I have my customers. I am selling cold water, I have my customers. And there is money for all of us. The fact that you feel like there is no money and all money has already been exploited, that is why you can't be rich in your 20s. Yeah. That is why. There is a lot of money. You just need to pick something and start doing something. Just pick a career. Just pick a business and start doing it. You'll see yourself making money. You'll see yourself being rich. Yeah. The last point, thinking you are still too young. Let me don't overemphasize on this one, but you know where I'm going to. Now you are 20, you're just like, you read the story of a rich man who became rich by 40, and you're like, oh, that's me. By 40, I'll be rich. You read the story of a rich man who became rich by 50, you're like, okay, by 50. Let me tell you, we have also read stories of people who become millionaires by 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We have read all those stories of people who are rich. At that age, they are millionaires. Now, even the person who is rich by 40, 50, maybe they started their journey while they were 20. So, imagine you even becoming a millionaire in your 20s. I mean, by your 30s, by your 40s, by your 50s, you can become the next billionaire in your family. You can become the next billionaire in Africa. So, thinking that you are still too young is a reason you cannot be rich. So instead of thinking that you're still too young, convert that energy this way. I am young. I have the energy. I have the power. I have the time to invest in my dreams. Let me tell you, now you can sleep even for 7 hours and 6 hours as a young person and you'll be good. But when you get to that 40, 50, when you sleep for less than 8 hours, it might affect your thinking, because that time even your brain don't start old. So instead of thinking that you're still too young, start now. Start taking action. Start taking small steps. Start taking small moves. And before you realize, you are making millions. You are rich. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section if there are any other reasons preventing young people from not becoming rich. Until now, I will see you in my next video.